Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. How you doing? So let's go ahead and go through a room tour. So first we'll go to the restroom. So this is our restroom. It's a good size. I can fit in here. Look at that. So this is our shower. It's a nice size shower. You know, you have your hair and body wash all in one. You know,
Close the door.
you know, goes. There's plenty of room. Then you have your toilet. Then on this side you have your sink. You have a trash can. Some towels here. Actually, are we missing towels? We don't
There's
have
only
any
two
towels.
on top.
Oh look, there's over here. And then there's more room up here. Then we have this area right here to put all your nice fancy stuff there. Then they give us cups.
Because fancy people brush their teeth with cups.
We have some soap in here. It says don't rush to flush. Alright. You have nice water here. Look at that.
That's good pressure.
Yeah, it is. There's more pressure than the one
Better
at
than
home.
the house.
Yeah. Alright, so that's the restroom. We're going to step out of there. Then we'll go over here, and this is our closet. It's our walk-in closet because I can actually walk into it. You know, that's the main reason it's called a walk-in closet. See? I fit in here. So, you know, we have some hangers here, our life vest, our shoes are down there already. Over here we have a couple shelves. We have a safe.
Wait, there's a light here?
For
I could turn this one on.
this light? Oh, it's over here.
What the heck?
Oh, there it is. There's our lights. We have these, I guess, to hang some more stuff on the bottom.
We have the safe.
We have a safe. It's a pretty nice, decent safe. We have a couple shelves in here. So that's our closet, our walk-in closet. Again, because I can walk into it. And we have a nice coffee table there. Then we have our desk,
Vanity.
our vanity desk. Nice shelves.
They gave us masks.
They did give us masks. They have the nice royal emblem there. They have these. We already have our stuff all cluttered. We have more lights. Oh, that is bright. Yeah, we'll turn that off. We have our TV right here. We have our mini fridge. Oh look, they left this stuff already. Look at that. No, that was ours. We bought those. Then we have a pull-out couch, I guess.
I'm pretty sure it makes. I was gonna mesa.
I don't know how this works, but we'll leave it like that. We're probably not going to use it.
Full size mirror over there.
Full-size mirror. Hello, guys. Then we have our bed. That's a nice size bed.
It's a king size bed.
Is it a king size?
Yeah.
No, it's a queen.
It's a king.
Really?
It's 2 individual beds. It's 2 twin beds.
This doesn't feel like the bed at all.
It feels the same to me.
I think this is a queen.
It's
Oh,
not
well.
a queen. Trust me.
Okay. If she says it's not a queen, it's not a queen. So, you know, we have our bed here. It's actually bigger than I thought. It's a good size. Then we have the patio. That's what it's
A
called.
balcony.
Balcony, that's what it's called. So we open this up. And you have 2 nice chairs here. This is actually pretty nice. You should sit here. Oh my god.
It's bigger than we thought.
it is.